to give you a little taste of Minnesota. And here's the result of last night. And I don't know if you can see, but there's some big fatties falling. That's my neighbor's shed. Good foot on top of that. And here's the snow. And this is how deep the snow is. And it goes up almost to my knee. Yay. So, Cloney and Paco, enjoying your Texas weather, you can bite me. Yep. There you go. Have a nice little walk down my trail. Yep. You can see how much snow is on top of the garbage. That's how much fell last night. Okay, enjoying yourselves? Ho ho ho. Oh, look at all the nice ice packed up on top of the roof. Yay! Have an icicle on me. Bye.